In this final step of our series on the 7G ECU electrics plate, we will fill the transmission with fluid and test drive the vehicle.
Connect the fluid exchange fitting to the drain fill plug. Fill with 4 liters of Mercedes-Benz transmission fluid or until fluid begins to overflow past the fill tube. Remove fluid exchange fitting. Fluid should escape at a steady stream. Reinstall fluid exchange fitting. Start engine and allow to idle until the transmission temperature reaches 45 degrees Celsius or 113 degrees Fahrenheit. For vehicles with an additional transmission cooler, allow the engine to reach operating temp 90 degrees Celsius to allow the transmission cooler thermostat to open. Then, allow the transmission to cool down to 45 degrees Celsius, then check the fluid level. Remove the fluid exchange once temperature is reached. Allow fluid to drain until it escapes at a thin, steady stream. Install and tighten drain plug with new washer to 22 Newton meters.
After filling the transmission with fluid, a drive cycle and shift adaptation is recommended to complete the learning process for optimal shift performance. For additional information, check out the iSCAN website for expanded technical resources on this topic, 7G ECU electrics plate.